Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I've been asked a lot about one question. Sir, what is the use of your to-do list? Okay, you must have seen the thumbnail. Now I'm going to tell you how much money my student has made using this method. Alright, so first let's look at that thing. I'm telling you, there's a network called MaxBounty. He made around $200 from that network. ClickBank through this method. He got 3 sales from ClickBank with a commission of $135. Alright, you can multiply it yourself. He made about $400 in total. Right, around $405. He earned that from ClickBank. Apart from that, he made around $500 to $600 from pay-per-call. So through this method, this very month, he has earned around 1 to 2 lakh rupees. Alright, to be precise, he has earned around 164,000 rupees. This was the power of this method, and I had told everyone that if you follow this method properly, you can easily make this much amount. Now here the question arises, sir, you're just saying this here. How can we believe this is true? I am currently doing the entire video recording and production process using Google Meet, and I will subsequently upload the complete and finalized video content here for everyone to view and access. You can go to YouTube and watch it there at your convenience. Alright, now how did he earn using this method? Look, I told you before as well that Telegram is used a lot. How exactly do we use Telegram? We use Telegram mainly to generate leads. Yes, that's how we use Telegram. How do we use it to generate leads? That's what we do. Alright, so here we created around 20 Telegram accounts. Not mine, I'm talking about that guy's exact method. He made 20 Telegram accounts, and on each account, he added 50 people. On a daily basis, it takes just 5 to 10 seconds to add 50 people. It takes 5 to 10 seconds to add 50 people everywhere. So in this way, he was adding about 1,000 people on a daily basis, by working just 1 to 2 hours. Alright, so he added around 1,000 people, and there he was promoting his MaxBounty offers and whatever other offers he had. So that's how he used Telegram. Now, the calls he generated were also done through Telegram. He targeted some roofing groups. He also targeted some groups related to rehab and admission, and from there he generated calls. He generated calls in the market. A pretty decent amount. Alright, so Lead Smart is done. Market calls are done. Here too, he generated such a large amount just through Telegram. Okay, so that's covered. Apart from this, the work he did was on Blackhat SEO, where we created a website for pay-per-call, a Blackhat website. We created a website that we got into the top 10 in about 30 days. We ranked it, and from there we generated 5 to 10 calls on a daily basis. That's the work we did. In the same way, we did different types of work like this. Apart from this, his team has also worked with me in the services business, and from there too, we are making a decent amount. Alright, a lot of people have asked me this question. What is the fee for the course you are offering? As of today, I have set the fee at 5,000 Indian rupees. But within a week, I am going to increase the fee to 11,000. Because I want serious people in my team. Alright, so right now my fee is 5,000 Indian rupees. It's ongoing, but even in my free courses, I am sharing very important things. I'm teaching about groups and how to handle things on Telegram. I'm teaching 50 different things. There too, I'm sharing things related to Google Ads. So you can join the group from the link below. I've pinned it in the comment section. There's also a link in the description. But the people who are joining this are getting live classes every night around 9 p.m. In these live classes, I'm making sure you do daily practical implementation. The practical classes for Google Ads, I'm actually implementing them, showing you how to practically create campaigns, how to practically make Telegram groups, how to practically generate costs from there, or how to bring leads in CPA. We're doing all of these things in the practical class at 9 p.m. every night, and there's one thing I guarantee here. I'm doing this with a proper guarantee for the 5,000 Indian rupees you're giving me. Alright, within 1 month, I'll make sure you get your money back multiple times over. If you properly follow all these things with me, I guarantee that I'll make sure you earn at least 50,000 per month. If you really put in the effort, okay? So that's the thing. What we're doing right now comes with a guarantee. From my side, if you follow every single thing properly, if you're really following it properly, then take my guarantee. You don't have to do much else. We need to work less on Telegram. We have to work on Google ad accounts. There are also some methods in Google Ads to which we can run ads at a very low cost. We work on Facebook ad accounts as well. Here, we need to do less in service-related businesses. We have to work on WhatsApp API. We will work on how to use the WhatsApp API. By using Market Call, Lead Smart, MaxBounty, and F-Mine through Telegram, you'll definitely be able to make at least this much on a daily basis. Okay. We have to work on ClickBank accounts. We need to work on how to bring sales in ClickBank as well as selling as an affiliate. We have to work on RDP too. I'll teach you how to create RDP and how you can earn money by selling RDP. So guys, look, the main purpose of this program is simply that if we are getting into digital marketing, then we should know every possible way to earn money. That's my only focus. And that's exactly what I've emphasized, that we mainly have to generate earnings from there, no matter what. All right. So here, we are using some loopholes. We are using Telegram. Apart from this, we are using different loopholes. We are making use of the services business. If you do all these things together with me, I can guarantee you that I will help you achieve 10 times your earnings. All right, we are also working on LinkedIn, working on Facebook groups, working on LinkedIn invites, and working on many other things as well. We are dealing directly with clients, figuring out how to earn a substantial amount per call by making direct deals with them. By making direct deals, all right. So we are working on all of these things. We are forming a proper group here where we are solving all the issues. As well as solving the client's issues, we are also building up our own earnings. So my simple recommendation is, come on athletes, contact me on WhatsApp and I'll tell you a lot of things about how each thing can be done. Join the free group and see what all things we are doing. You can learn those things. If you join directly in the paid group, then I guarantee I will make sure you get things done. All right, and that's a guarantee. Okay, with a guarantee, you'll get results there. You will get results, that's for sure. No matter how I have to get you the results. But I will get you the results. All right, this is the main thing from my side.